Hi. Scaling the Heights is a nonfiction and self-help book that illustrates the engineering of life influenced by various pillars of life. The book is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press. It can be shared as a surprise gift to your friends or a birthday gift to your near and dear ones. The book throws adequate light on self-discovery, personal growth, and professional development. Discovering one's calling and interest, followed by commitment, is the primary step in scaling heights. The book is recommended for career growth, skill development, and professional enhancement for students and working professionals. Consumerism, lifestyle, and corporate culture have impacted society and the way of thinking. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the existing realities to adapt to changes in life while scaling the heights. The vivid examples and stories make the book thought-provoking and fascinating for readers, professionals, students, teachers, and people from all walks of life, and help them to scale the heights of life in the existing realities. Life is like scaling heights or climbing a ladder. It need not be essentially continuous climbing. There can be unforeseen withdrawals, and quite often the impact of the sophisticated standard of living comes on the way as an obstruction. One needs to learn how to tackle them. One can use any suitable tool to scale the heights. Ladders are everywhere, and there are different forms of ladders to fit different needs. Some want to scale heights on their own, many want to do it at the expense of others, and some want to scale the heights to take others along. However, a few scale the heights to serve. What is your purpose in scaling the heights? To know more, please read the book and share the link with others. We wish you happy reading and enormous learning. Have a great day.